cool from Nixon there. Cooper now. Brereton intercepts. And again, White shoots. Oh, nearly another goal. Striders now shooting where they can, hoping to hold on to this lead. Pals showing some good footwork. Oh, good save from Pearce, but I think it was going wide. But Pearce taking no chances. Cooper now. Back to Pearce. Oh, good throw out there. Oh, Warwickson throw out now to Brereton. Oh, hard lines there from Leach. Cooper now giving his instructions out. Watch the middle, watch the middle. Leach now pressurising. Another interception, hard lines Brereton. Cooper, brilliant ball from Richards. Richards again with the ball. Oh, what football from Richards. And from White. Oh. Another interception there from Smith. Oh, there again. Nixon in control. Good ball. Oh. Hard lines there from Nixon. High ball. Quickly taken. Whoa, an interception by Brereton. Oh, again, that Pals again. Getting a bit dirty. Is this all they've got to offer the Striders? Our leading goal scorer now, hacked down. The Pals really getting rattled. Do we need a stretcher? I think Brereton is limping off now. Cuthbert coming back on. I hope this is not a career problem for Brereton. Team now rearranged, but still playing well there. Hard lines from Richards. Just a bit too far. Hard lines from Leach. Leach intercepts his. Oh, an attempt there from the Pals. But as usual, Pearce has got it covered. Sunshine now has come out at Oakwell. Sun shining on the Striders. Smith now. Richards. Come on, we need to concentrate. There's this winning streak getting to our heads. Oh, another interception by Leach. Got to keep these Pals at bay. Oh, good covering there by Richards. Oh, nice one from Cooper. Oh, there's a chance here for the Pals. Oh, Pearce pounces on it again and stops it going in. Smith now. Free kick to the Striders. Striders just now to get back into control now. Good ball there from Richards. Leach. Oh, hard lines Leach. Nearly intercepted there by White. White keep pressurising. Oh, the chance. But keeping up the pressure. Cuthbert now blocking the Pals. Oh, good ball from the Pals. Being crowded out now. How can they get through the Striders' defence? They can't. Hang on again. I think one of the Pals has tripped over his bus pass. No, he's getting up. No, he's okay. Cooper now picking out Leach. White now. Good call from... oh, chance here from... Oh, Richard, it's a post! Oh, dear me. Good movement, though, from the Striders. Oh, cool as a cucumber, Cooper. Leach on the ball now. Canal... Oh. Come on now. Striders needs to pick up these men. Oh, good work there from White. And again from Richards. Richards. Oh, hard lines there from Leach. Richards covering. Whoa, fantastic interception from Richards. Come on, Striders, keep these Pals under pressure. Got space on this left wing for the Pals. Pals moving the ball about but not getting any chance. Richards, oh, brilliant ball to Leach. What can Leach do with this? Oh, a fantastic goal here from Leach. What a fantastic breakaway and goal. The crafty curves and strikes. Pals to kick off again. Oh, well intercepted there by White. Oh. The Striders need to pick these men up now. Don't get complacent, Striders. Oh, easy shot. And that's the end of the game. Second game and a 2-0 win for the Striders. What a great match. The Red Rose of Lancashire crushes the White Rose of Yorkshire. But perhaps the Striders should have been playing in red this week. And the Pals in white. Another great game. What fantastic fitness from this great team. Okay, being called down to the pitch now. Tony Cravagan, Oakwell, the end.